working as a scientist and docent in the University of Beira Interior in Portugal, that is in Covilhã town. And my opinion about all the regulations concerning clinical research or clinical studies in population is that, and taking account all the interventions, all the people that I hear today, is that it's very essential, and to me this is the main point, to perform studies in an interdisciplinary way. That means that in these kind of studies, other people, instead of scientists, biomolecular, geneticists or medical doctors, the other professionals like caregivers or nurses or social science people must participate in order to obtain a better accurate amount of data and to get a relationship between these data. Because as we see today, it's essential to have a broad picture about the populations, and this is not only related with the biological data taken from samples, but also by the people lives, and this is my opinion. And in this way, my essential point is the interdisciplinarity condition of this kind of studies. And that's all for my point of view. Thank you very much.